No, it's good. Actually, it's good right now. Okay. No, just hold it. Don't ignore the messages. Hold on! Come up to the Federal Reserve! Across the street! They're printing money out of thin air! We have our own Federal Reserve Bank! You need money! Did you drink it up?
Monies! Look at all our monies!
A little bit.
Greetings and welcome to the Federal Reserve. Would you like to open an account with us today?
Oh. What?
Can do you have a...
I have identification.
Okay, can you please present your identification, and then you'll have to fill out an application, a credit check to see if you can qualify for here.
To see if you can hold on to my money?
Yeah. That's what the bank does.
For you're going to hold on to my money. I understand. Now, what kind of...
Hold on to anyone's money.
Is there, are banks paying interest anymore? Someone told me that, like, banks quit paying interest a long time ago, and now they just jack you up with fees, and instead of, like, giving you a little something for holding on to your money, now, you're doing us a favor by, holding on to our money. I mean...
No, we are doing you.
You're not doing me any more of a favor than my, mattress.
And your mattress?
Yeah. Burglars, you know, I run the risk of, you know, losing that which is in my mattress, but, I mean, you guys just, like, little T-way, right?
I hear you have a mattress. Rent or own?
I don't own my home. Homeless because basically...
You're homeless?
No. Where would my mail go? I can't afford a P.O. box. Now that I don't have a home, I can't, like, get up in the morning, get myself together and go to work. So, you know, of course, now I don't have a job either.
I'm sorry, sir, but this bank branch requires that you have a mailing address.
Just as well. I don't have any money anyway.
Oh, well, that's a shame.
Oh, I see you have plenty. Yes, you have starving people in this world, and geez, you just need billions. Right? Billions and billions. I'm losing stream of viewers here.
No. No.
Oh, in the Fed, nice. I like that. Okay. All around, we got a couple protesters across the street here, and we got the main body of peoples here. Some are lollygagging, even though they should be protesting. Oh, pie. Hardly see the screen. I heard something for this. I had wanted to. I just never had the time. Okay.
Get it? It's in the book. Come here.
Oh.